In today's video, we talk about how to transfer money from CIBC to Scotiabank 2025. Watch until the end of the video to learn everything you need. To transfer money from your CIBC account to your Scotiabank account in 2025, you can use several methods, including Interac transfer, bill payments, or external transfers via online banking. Interac transfers are one of the easiest and quickest ways to transfer money between different banks in Canada. Steps to transfer funds via Interac e-transfer. Log into the CIBC Mobile App or online banking. Open the CIBC Mobile App or visit the CIBC Online Banking website. Sign in using your CIBC username and password. Navigate to Transfers or Send Money. From the main menu, go to the Transfers or Send Money section. Select Interac e-transfer from the options. Add Scotiabank as a recipient. Enter the email address or mobile number associated with the Scotiabank account you're sending money to. If you're sending money to yourself or have done this before, you may already have the recipient saved. Enter transfer details. Choose the CIBC account, checking or savings, you want to transfer funds from. Enter the amount you want to send. Set a security question, if required. If this is the first time sending money to the recipient, you may need to set a security question and provide the answer for the recipient to complete the transfer. Review and confirm the transfer. Review all the details, amount, recipient, account, to ensure everything is correct. Confirm the transfer to complete the process. Transfer. Completion. Interac e-transfers are typically processed within 30 minutes to 2 hours, but may take up to 24 hours for larger amounts or if there are additional verification checks. I hope you will learn about the video. Thank you for watching.